Alright guys, I just went to the grocery store while fasting, and this is what I'm going to break my fast with. Some game day chicken wings. They have no breading. They are just chicken wings. I got a pound of those. Those are delicious. So now we're going to do a little, it's not Aldi, it's Meijer, a little Meijer haul. So I got these pork chops. They're 99 cents a pound. This was $4.77 for these pork chops. So probably make these tomorrow because I kind of want some pork chops. Originally, check out this deal. I saved $8 on this. So this is a really good deal. Got some little steaks for me and the kids. And then their ground beef was also on sale for, I think it was only 99 cents a pound. Anyways, I paid $10.51. It says I saved $6. Okay, so they had these Cracker Barrel cheeses for 2 for $5, and I really, really like the flavor of the Cracker Barrel cheeses. So I got extra sharp cheddar and then sharp cheddar. They're really tasty, no carbs. I'm assuming one stick, yes, serving size. I wanted to make some keto oatmeal, and in almost all of the oatmeals is hemp seed. So I already have chia seed, flax seed, those in a lot of them, but I did not have hemp seed. So this was on sale for $5.99. So I picked this up and I will try this out and see. I'll probably make a recipe or something. Let you know how that is. And then they had their packs of cheese. It was also buy 2 for $5. So I got this double cheddar, marble cheddar cheese slices. And this looks really good. Garlic and herb cheddar cheese slices. That looks really good. And less than a carb for one slice. So 2 packs of the carb counter tortillas, which I think they are 5 carbs. Yeah, 5 carbs. Yep. Only 5 grams net carbs. So these are at Meijer. I've seen them other places too, but they're really good. I showed you my game day wings. I decided to try some cage-free organic eggs. So I bought this. This was $2 something. I don't remember the price, and I don't have the receipt with me. But yes, so I got these eggs. Excited to try them. Happy mama. Here's some brown eggs. And I got my favorite Enlightened Sea Salt Caramel ice cream. Here are the macros. I mean, for 6 net carbs, for half a cup of ice cream is amazing. The other flavor that I got is chocolate chip cookie dough. And this one is 8 net carbs, but I think it's worth it, man. Oh, these ice creams are so good. So, got the kids some milk. Picked up some Meijer Clean Day mint dish soap. And then I like to use these as a multi-cleaner. I also got that in mint. Got the kids some cheese slices. And then I got the sweet drops of stevia. This is the original. And then I got caramel flavor. And then I always see Aaron does a keto use, I don't know if this is it. It is 4 carbs for 2 tablespoons. So depending on if you can, I mean, maybe I'll only do 1 tablespoon. I don't know. I don't know if this is the brand she used, but she puts it in there with like some collagen. I need to get some collagen still. And she puts it in her coffee. And holy cow, it looks delicious, and I want to make it. So I got this. I'm going to try it out and see what that is. Besides that, I got the rotisserie style chicken for the kids. They've kind of already picked it away. Corey needs to eat still. Picked up the kids some peanut butter. They go through peanut butter like you have no idea. They had their cereals buy 3 for $5. So all the different flavors of Captain Crunch. They really enjoy bagels, so it was buy 1 get 1 free bagels, and then just a loaf of bread. We just went to, where did we go? We went to Walmart, Dollar Tree, and Starbucks. So got a little tiny, itty bitty little baby haul for you guys. At Walmart, we're gonna take Link for a walk here shortly. So at Walmart, I got some Sara Lee Black Forest ham. I got 2 pounds of that. That's what we're gonna have lunch before we leave. So just some cheese and meat roll-ups probably, with some veggies and pork rinds maybe. Y'all know on the weekends I live for Starbucks. So here, if you want to screenshot this, if you're having trouble trying to figure out what is keto friendly at Starbucks, I get a Trenta iced coffee, no classic, light heavy cream, and 4 stevia, and it is delicious. A good way to help with cravings or headaches or just anything, you should be using pink Himalayan salt, because pink Himalayan salt has a ton of minerals that you need in your body. So this was $3 at Walmart, and this is just a refill, but because the other ones that I usually buy, I can't open up because they're in the grinders. This you can open up. You can just grab a little rock, put it under your tongue. It's not super salty, and it'll definitely help your headache go away, and it'll help you with your electrolytes. So I picked up that. These things my kids and I love. These are 57 cents, and these pack a big punch of flavor. Like, they literally have so much flavor. Do they have a lot of flavor?
Don't know.
Do they have a lot of flavor? When Reese tried his, he said, these things should be more than $1. He was so excited. So I got golden peach, strawberry, and cherry vanilla. The kids got golden peach. What flavor did you get?
Yo, apple.
Apple, and I don't remember what Reese got. So I got 3 of those for myself. I want to make some bread and some carrot cake, and there was something else I wanted to make, but I was out of my organic stevia blend, so picked up this. I usually get Swerve. They didn't have any, so this is what I got. This was like $6, not bad. And then I love the sparkling ice waters. They're usually like $1 pretty much anywhere where I find them. Sometimes you can find them on sale for like 79 cents. I was about to buy a bunch of those, and I stumbled across these. These are clear American ice. These are from the same brand as these, and these are kind of like a mock of those. These are, everything is the same. If I can, it's shiny, but everything is 000, just like the ice. And these are 51 cents. So I got black raspberry, pineapple orange, strawberry banana, 2 strawberry bananas actually, peach nectar, and huckleberry. So I got those, and these on Instagram have been going around a lot lately, mixing some of this with some heavy whipping cream and some ice and making a really nice, just like dessert drink. I will have to make that in a recipe video and show you guys that. Next, I got some True Lemon. Now, Ella Left Bacon, she talks about this all the time, so I decided that I would give it a try. She really, really likes this. And this is 0 everything. There's less than a gram. And yeah, she really likes these, so I wanted to give these a try. I'll let you guys know how I feel about those. I was running low on imitation vanilla, so I got that. It was like 89 cents. These, I'm obsessed with the original chicharrones, Max pork skins. Love them, love them, love them. So also obsessed with Bang energy drinks, and my Walmart only has 4 flavors, which sucks. I could walk across the street, go to Country Market, and get them for a little bit more. They have more flavors there, but I'll deal because I do like the blue raspberry and the cotton candy, so I'll just deal with those flavors for now. Next, I got the Wisp, the barbecue bacon. I've never had this flavor. I do like Wisp. They're really good and tasty. They're 2 carbs for 23 crisp. I think that's like half the bag. Yeah, because there's only 2 servings per bag. So these are a really good option. You could put these on top of salads. You can have them as a snack. Nice crispy. They're smaller, but you could use them to dip with if you wanted, but they are pretty tasty. What do you want?
Plate. Thank you. Did you find it?
And then I got a big old bag of pecan halves. Pecans are 1 carb for about a 1/4 cup. That is not bad. So anyways, Keto Jinx, she made some candied pecans that looked amazing. She made them out of her Southern Keto cookbook, and I definitely want to try that in a video. So I picked up the pecans, and that's another reason why I got the Splenda, I'm sorry. That's another reason why I got the stevia, so I could do that. I have all the other ingredients, and I'm really excited to do that. So at Dollar Tree, how cute is this little candle? It is cafe, I don't know what the hell that says. You can't even read it either because my camera's out of focus. Come on now. Okay, look at how cute. It looks like a tiny little coffee cup. It is coffee scented, and it, look how cute. It really does smell like coffee, and I like it. So. For my happy planner that I've been using lately, I just picked up these cute little fun stickers. There's just 15 in this one, and then this is another like summer one because it is so nice out today. It's a 65. We're gonna go take Link for a walk after we eat, but these are some nice stickers that I want to use up in my planner as well. I'm having really fun doing that. So I got those, and then at Dollar Tree we also got 2 bread pans and two cake pans. And then a pie pan. So that's what I got at Dollar Tree. Kids, they like to go to Dollar Tree to buy things from their allowance. They get $5 a week. So they love going through Dollar Tree and just grabbing different candies. Oh, I did pick these up at Walmart too. For those of you who are non-keto, they had this oatmeal birthday cake surprise. They have different colored sprinkles in, and it says like which surprise color sprinkles will be in your pack. Tiffany got this for herself. She likes oatmeal. I love oatmeal too. And I actually have things for me to make oatmeal with. Got this. This actually comes with like the little pan in it and everything. You don't need anything. This is everything you need. It's no bake.
This is a reminder. Feeding Link.
It's no bake, and I thought Tiffany could make this while I'm making my cakes for them. And then the boys really wanted these different flavored Pop-Tarts. So this is what they got.
Link.
Did you feed it? You hungry?
Link is reminded that he is hungry.
He has it already.
And just throw it in here. This is Tiffany's little chia pet that she made at school. It's a tiny little piggy. She made it. She painted it. And then there's the little water in there. And these are the little chia seeds. Can you believe that? These are chia seeds that we eat. And they're growing. Actually, these are not the refined ones. These are different. But that's just still same seeds, just different. How cute. Let me take a picture. So here in our city, we have these rocks called 517 rocks where people, I'm sorry, Link is pulling on the camera, where people paint rocks and place them throughout the town. So we are at the park today, and Reese found, show everybody your 517 rock. It's an Easter one. And then Reese just found this one for Tiffany. Cute little penguin. And then on the back they have 517, and you're supposed to post them to a Facebook group. See? When you find them. And take a picture and show it, and then you're supposed to keep it or rehide it.
Okay, that's what
Found another one. So we have 4 now. I have it in my pocket because it's so tiny. 4. You would have never caught me out here normally. Are you kidding me? Weather getting warm. I definitely would not be outside. It is like 66 degrees today, and I would have been like, fans, it's time to turn on the air. My house can't get over 67. Now I just want to open windows and be outdoors. The sun feels so good today. Feels great to be outside at the park. We've been out here for hours, having a lot of fun with the kids and with Link, and it's just amazing how losing 50 pounds can kind of...
Wait, you lost 50 pounds?
Yes, I've lost 50 pounds.
I thought you lost 3. You can
Three. It's just amazing how losing 50 pounds can make such a difference in your body temperature and in the seasons. I've been freezing lately, so this is just beautiful to be able to be outside and not be sweating to death.
Yo. What's up? What's up? Point the camera to me. Ow. Oh! It's scary.